Welcome to Lesson 1, Basic Weathering. In this lesson, we will cover washes, dry brush, oil brushers, pigments, and highlights.
Washes is a technique when you dilute paint, resulting in a transparent layer of color. When using this technique, start with a 50-50 ratio water to acrylic paint. Apply to your project. You can use a paper towel or a rag to wipe up the excess. Dry brushing is a technique where the paintbrush is dry and has very little paint on it. You can use both acrylic and oil paints for this process. If you choose to work with oil paints, you will have a longer drying time.
Oil brushers are very versatile. You can use them as is, straight out of the bottle, as a highlighting technique, or you can get a thinner and use them as a wash. Pigments are another great way to weather your project. They're perfect for simulating dust and dirt on your model or prop. You can find pre-made ones, or you can just use chalk pastels. When working with pigments, a sealer is recommended to save your work.
Highlights are usually done towards the end of your project. Highlights are normally the lightest color on your piece. Highlights can be done with both wet or a dry brush. Congratulations, you have completed Lesson 1, Basic Weathering. Please rewind Tape 1 before starting the next lesson on Tape 2.